So, before we start these next few vlogs, I just want to apologize for kind of going MIA again after I caught up with the vlogs. Something really devastating happened and everything just got really crazy, not just with the virus. Yeah, we lost our little dog, but we'll get into that in the next few vlogs. I wanted to update you where we are at right now. We are actually sheltered in place at my parents' house, so we moved our essential belongings to my parents, hence the background that you probably don't recognize. And my dad is building something. He is always building something. Yeah, we're just here spending some time with Kaido and with my family and just keeping away from this virus, and we just wanted to update you guys. You want to say something?
What's up, everybody? No, that's it. I miss you guys.
Same.
Yeah. Hope you guys are quarantining.
Yeah,
nicely.
we hope you guys are okay.
We hope you guys are doing good. I hope that y'all guys are not sick, and if you're sick, watch our videos. They might make you feel better.
Right, because we're going to try not to speak on these things, but at the same time, the clips that I have gotten recently is like just things that are happening while all this mess is happening. We are with our entire family, so we might just start doing like challenges and pranks. I already pranked my siblings and my dad once. It might turn into some hype house type stuff, you know? Also, new TikTok recipe for a coffee.
Very good, very good.
Maybe I should make that.
Oh, yes.
But yeah, I mean, Kaido's not doing so well himself. I feel like he's
sad.
He's sad. He's happy that we're here, but he's sad because he obviously feels that something's not okay or something's not right. We can just see it in his demeanor. So I could be inside right now and working on my computer, but I did that yesterday and I felt so bad because all he wanted to do in the afternoon was play.
Yeah.
Look,
get in the camera.
Kaido. Kaido. Oh my God.
It's okay, boy. It's okay.
You guys hear him? Yeah, he just whimpers all day long, and that's so not like him.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this clip went on for far too long already, but I felt like it was necessary. Yeah, now let's get back to the vlog. So this is, I think, 3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, or 2 weeks ago, since I uploaded a vlog. It was probably 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, I think.
2 weeks ago, but this vlog is from like 3 weeks ago. Time just flies, guys.
Yeah, I get it. I know what you mean. So you're still 3 weeks behind?
So we're still 3 weeks behind. We are barely getting into like the seriousness side of the coronavirus. We'll try not to make things too sad, but with Peanuts passing, it might just go there. And if you don't want to watch that, I'm just warning you guys. But yeah, I feel like it's necessary for closure for me and for me to have this as a memory because this is my video diary. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the weekly vlog. Yeah.
We just got out of church and we came to brunch, as you guys saw, and now we are on our way to the Galleria because I have a few things that I need to return. Actually, just one thing. We actually need to shop for a new vacuum, so maybe we can do that today. I might stop by Sephora as well because there's a new product that I want that just released, and hopefully it's there.
For feet
What do you want right now?
in a Tesla Model 3.
It's really cool. I like the sunroof. You reading? supposed to go grocery shopping last night, but we were just so tired from walking around everywhere, just shopping and just having fun together. So we didn't really get to do that. So now I'm going by myself this morning. We're gonna do that cilantro lime barbecue chicken that we love. And last night at Trader Joe's, I basically got things that are quick and easy for lunches. It's not cold outside whatsoever, but in here it feels so cold. So I'm just gonna put this on. And I am wearing a long sleeve, so hope I'm not getting sick or anything. I'm just about to put away all of the groceries that I just got. It's quite a bit because we didn't go grocery shopping last week and things that we needed kind of doubled. Mom called me saying that she needed me to take her to one of her appointments today, and I'm always down, so I said yes. She said it's at 1:30 or so I heard, but then she called me at like 10 something saying, hey, are you on your way here? And I'm like, it's not till 1:30. She's like, no, you have to be here at 11. When I tell you I was taking my time doing things this morning, I ate breakfast, drank my coffee, and I was like, you know what would feel good right now? Me jumping in the shower. Did I need to shower? No, but I just wanted to shower, and I was gonna do my hair. I had to rush out of the house so bad, I didn't even brush my hair. I am starving. I just got home from being with my mom. We actually went shopping for perfume. I am gonna make a simple baby spring mix with some lime and some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Is it Starbucks today?
Y'all ready?
Oh, it's yours?
For the spicy noodle challenge?
I thought you said we were eating.
Yeah, noodles.
We were eating. I
Aw, jinx.
wanted
Jeez. You mean psych?
I mean, psych.
Oh, because they
Stupid.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Luxurybeautyheart. I'm not Luxurybeautyheart. My sister holding the camera, she is Luxurybeautyheart. We're gonna be doing the spicy noodles challenge. I'm gonna get $10 today because she thinks I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, but I am.
I'm actually not gonna give you the entire thing, but if you can eat whatever I give you, you'll get $10.
I can eat the entire
What
thing.
about me?
Oh, it's only a deal with him.
Yeah, you weren't here.
But I wanted to.
And then, oh yeah, earlier, I don't know if Catherine was vlogging this phone call, but she thought Fort Worth in Dallas, Texas was Fourth Worth. Like,
Everybody says that is Fort Worth. No, they
Fourth Worth. That was Fourth Worth.
I have heard everybody say Fort Worth.
All right, so let's cook the spicy noodles. Okay, so we have original spicy, black ones, and we have the 2 times spicy. Which one do you want? Both? Should we make both?
Should we mix them?
And
It's not the challenge?
we have the cheese spicy noodle.
Oh, it's spicy?
They're still spicy.
I can eat all 3 of them.
Make all 3 of them. Mix them all up.
No,
just
don't mix them all,
What we're
just.
gonna do?
Y'all seem so chill about it. I'm scared. Careful with your eyes, don't touch your face.
3.
It's just noodles, dude.
Wait.
It's just like hot Cheeto sauce.
Just don't breathe.
Wait. Y'all aren't scared?
No. It's just
Yeah,
noodles.
yeah.
Psych yourself out. It's not-
Okay, everyone, 1, go.
It burns my tongue. Not anything else.
Did you swallow some already?
Matthew, you're dying. I can tell. You're crying. You're crying.
How are you doing that? Oh my god, I'm shaking.
Okay, it's not that bad.
I'm not that bad.
Spicy, but it's not.
It's
Crying.
spicy. It's spicy. My eyes are tearing up.
Are you serious?
Will I ever eat this again? No.
Boom, $10.
Oh my god!
Hey, how did you do that?
You savage! Oh my god! I no quiero.
Look at their faces.
Okay. It makes you tear up.
You give up, George?
I don't want no more.
To try the cheese?
I need milk.
There's no milk!
Oh man.
I'm good.
Are you serious? You're the devil.
It tastes nice.
You're evil.
It's hot, but it's a good spicy. 1, 2, 3.
The problem is, it's not hot, but the temperature, you know? And then the spice that I have in my mouth, contrast to the ice that was left in there.
I can't decide if I put it on my lips.
Oh my god, your lips. They look like they're gonna fall off.
And this is the aftermath. We didn't even eat half of these. Alright, well, I failed miserably.
I won terrifically.
So we started the week off at Jen House and we're back at Jen House at the end of the week. It's just so good. So we're gonna go have dinner, but I don't think you guys need any more shots of us eating Korean barbecue. So who knows if we're gonna even get footage from there. But we did see that it's super crowded. Like it's lining up outside, so.
I'm thinking we might have to go somewhere
Yeah,
else.
depending on the wait. It shouldn't be too bad though, because it's a huge restaurant. So it was packed in there. We waited an entire hour. We were planning on going bowling, but I don't think we can anymore. Oh my god, I'm so stuffed. It was worth the wait though, so.
Yeah, it's like worth it.
Yeah.
Like when you're waiting, you're like, ugh. But you smell the good food the whole time, right? And you just can't wait to eat.
Yeah.
And then when they sit you down, the food comes out so fast. I mean, you have to cook it and everything, you know? You're literally waiting to cook for food that you had to pay for. But it's fun.
Yeah. It's like super bad timing that we need literally home essentials, because now it looks like we're just panicking because of the virus.
So we are here at Kroger, everyone. So we're here to get water because we are running out of water. And water is always cheaper here. Promise we're not here shopping because of the coronavirus. We don't believe in such things. Oh my god. Look, guys. People are actually cleaning their homes. Look, this is the last disinfecting wipe. You know this whole coronavirus thing? It's making everyone clean. Thank you. Thank you. This is what weekly vlog number 62 has turned to. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.